Good morning students. Class 7, chapter number 15, perimeter and area, exercise 15.2. In the previous video we have completed exercise 15.2 question number 1 and we discuss about perimeter of circle. It means circumference also. So just revise a short, we discussed a short revision. Circumference of a circle. Circle, it is the center and it is a radius. Circle is the collection of all points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point always same. The fixed point is called center and the fixed distance is called radius. And it is the circumference of the circle. And what is the formula of circumference of circle? 2 pi r. या आप इसे पाई इंटू डायमीटर भी कॉल कर सकते हैं बिकॉज डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई रेडियस. Clear? And we also discuss about perimeter of semicircle and perimeter of quadrant. Semicircle, in a circle if we draw a diameter then it is called a semicircle. And when in a circle we draw two diameters perpendicular to each other, then the circle divided into 4 equal part and the one part is called a quadrant. So it is a quadrant. ये सब ऑलरेडी हम प्रीवियस वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. नाउ वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In the question number 2 we have to find the difference between the perimeters of two circular plates. In the one has a radius 16.8 centimeter and the other has a diameter 16.8 centimeter. We have to draw two columns. In the first column, first circular plate यानी कि first circle whose radius 16.8 centimeter and the second circular plate whose diameter is 16.8 centimeter. And we know that radius is half of diameter or diameter is double of radius. So in the second column, its radius, its mean capital R. We indicate in the different point of view because there are two circular plates and half of 16.8. Its mean 8.4 centimeter. Now we have to find out their difference in their perimeters, यानी कि circumference. Because the radius of this circular plate is greater than radius of this circular plates. It means suppose we have to draw two circles. एक सर्कल जिसकी रेडियस हमने ली है सपोज 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो सर्किल लाइक दिस. अगर हम एक सर्किल लें इसकी रेडियस केवल 2 सेंटीमीटर है तो आप देख सकते हो कि सर्कमफ्रेंस किसकी कम बनेगी, जिसकी रेडियस छोटी होगी whose circumference is lesser in compare of circumference of radius is greater. So we can say that circumference of first circular plate is greater than circumference of second circular plate. So firstly we have to find out their circumference. Circumference of first circular plate, it means 2 pi r. So 2 pi into 16.8 centimeter. Now we have to find out circumference of second circular plate. It means 2 pi r. It means 2 into pi into 8.4 centimeter. Now we have to find out difference between circumference. Because we know that circumference of first circular plate is greater, so find out difference. Difference between circumference. यानी कि we just note down circumference of first circular plate 2 into pi into 16.8 minus circumference of second circular plate 2 into pi into 8.4. Now we can take 2 pi as a common, and in the bracket 2 and pi both are common, and in the bracket 16.8 minus 8.4. 16.8 minus 8.4, its value is 8.4. Now put the value of pi. We discussed in the previous video, value of the pi is 22/7 into 8.4 सेंटीमीटर, एंड आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन जो डिफरेंस हमारे पास फाइंड आउट होगा, डिफरेंस इज 52.8 सेंटीमीटर, यानी कि 44 मल्टीप्लाई 1.2 सेंटीमीटर, इट्स मीन 52.8 सेंटीमीटर. So it is the difference between circumference of both circular plate. So I sure question number 2 is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 3. In the question number 3, what is the given? A wheel covers 110 meter in 1 revolutions. What is the radius? यानी कि एक व्हील है जिसने अगर एक राउंड कवर किया तो उसने डिस्टेंस कवर करी 110 मीटर. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट रेडियस. तो पहले हम इसको समझेंगे कि 1 रेवोल्यूशंस में डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा व्हील, हम उसको इंडिकेट कैसे करेंगे. तो उसको समझने के लिए जस्ट वी डिस्कस, सपोज इट इज अ सर्कुलर व्हील एंड वी पुट इट लाइक दिस एंड इट इज इज सरकमफ्रेंस. ये इसकी सरकमफ्रेंस है. अगर हम इसको ऐसे पुट करते हैं एंड वी ऑब्जर्व दैट जब इस व्हील का एक कंप्लीट राउंड होगा तो जो इसकी सरकमफ्रेंस है, यानी कि उसकी बाउंड्री की लंबाई है, डिस्टेंस कवर उसके इक्वल मेंशन की जाएगी. यानी कि डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 रेवोल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ द व्हील. सो वी कैन से दैट distance covered in 1 revolution, it is equal to circumference. So circumference is equal to 110 meter. And what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. Now put the value of pi. 2 multiply 22/7 into r is equal to 110. Now what is the value of r? 7 in a denominator, so we transfer into multiplication. 110 multiply 7 and 2 multiply 22 in the denominator. Now just calculate, and after calculation r is equal to 17.5 meter. So I show question number 3 is clear. It is an important question because this topic is also used in the senior classes. So just revise it properly and note down it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 5. In the question number 5, how many revolutions will a wheel make to cover a distance of 132 meter if its radius is 60 centimeter? तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशंस, यानी कि किसी व्हील ने कितने राउंड्स लगाए हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं टू कवर द डिस्टेंस 132 मीटर एंड द रेडियस इज 60 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्टली वी कन्वर्ट द रेडियस इनटू मीटर. तो 60 डिवाइड बाय 100, इट्स मीन 0.60 meter. Now what is the relation between distance and number of revolutions? In the previous question number 3 and question number 4, do yourself. In the previous question number 3 we discussed that distance covered in 1 revolutions यानी कि अगर व्हील केवल एक राउंड लगाता है तो जो उसकी डिस्टेंस होगी वो किसके इक्वल है, सरकमफ्रेंस के। डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 रेवोल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू सरकमफ्रेंस, यानी कि डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन, अगर हम सपोज कर लें कि नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू n, तो इन n रेवोल्यूशंस, तो n मल्टीप्लाई सरकमफ्रेंस। सो यहां से हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला मिल गया कि नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस इज इक्वल टू number of revolution is equal to distance upon circumference. Distance covered upon circumference. So in this question distance covered is given 132 meter and circumference we know that 2 pi r. So using the formula we can find out number of revolutions. It's mean 132 and in the denominator 2 into pi into 0.6. 132 2, what the value of pi, 22, 7 in the denominator and goes into numerator 0.6. Multiply by 10 in the numerator and after calculation 6 22 2 5 जा 10 यानी कि 35. So number of revolution is equal to 35. So I sure question number 5 is clear. And question number 4, do yourself. In this question we have to just take 5 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin and find out their diameters and after this circumference. सपोज आपने 5 रुपए का कॉइन लिया, आप उसकी डायमीटर फाइंड आउट करोगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल एंड आफ्टर फाइंड आउट इट्स सरकमफ्रेंस. सिमिलरली आपको ये क्वेश्चन ₹1 के लिए ट्राई करना है. सो these questions in homework, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. In the next video we continue exercise 15.2. Thank you very much.